Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. It's been a long morning with these door panels. As we can see, I got them off pretty good. This little thing, I can keep that and pop that right back into the door. But yeah, and the 6x9 is, of course bigger than 6.5, so about that much area be left. So I had to put something to cover up the hole. I'm probably gonna put some Dynamat for the time being. I might see if I can find a little piece of board. Now the only bad news that I found out though, I won't be able to run the wire through the to the funnel thing because it's all taped up and hard to get through. So I'm gonna have to run the wire from the front of the radio, you know what I'm saying, to the back. So I'm gonna have to get in the dash. I probably won't do it this weekend, but I'm gonna try to finish all the 4 6.5s. It's hot out here, y'all. I mean, hot. But I'm gonna try to finish all the 6.5s before the day over with. All right, we back. Yeah, this is the way I'm gonna have to do it on the door for right now, on the front door. Like I said, there's more space than I could, thought. So I might just have to leave it just like that. Hopefully it works. It should work pretty good because I'm not gonna really have much bass coming out of these. But I kind of like how it fits. I'm not doing the tweeters yet because, it's this little board thing right here I'm trying to figure out. Like it plays a lot, y'all. Just trying to, figure things out and figure out, how to get everything right though. But other than that, man, we about there. We about to be there. So at least we making progress. Only thing I'm gonna do is just hook up these for the time being. All right. That's one thing. All right, y'all. Yeah, that's one thing. I want to say you were right, Boombox Mike. Like it takes more time than I think. It takes me like darn near an hour to get the door done. But it did take a little bit of time to get the battery out too, or get the battery unconnected. So yeah, man. But we got 2 done, 4 to go. Man, 2 down and 2 to go. All right, y'all. We back. Now take a good look at the difference. This is I don't know what, whatever the name of it is. I don't know how this was giving out. So it's giving out like decent bass, man. But we're gonna put that back up there. Compared to this one, this is about to be giving out super great bass. And those little connectors that connect to these, they do work. They worked on the front doors already. I'm on the back doors right now. Man, I would never say, I'm good enough to get something done like this in 5 hours. It was more than what I can really bargain for. So let's go ahead and finish getting it done. We probably would do the other half. The other half would be, we would have to take out the dash this time. We got to take out the dash, so I might go get a harness, just like a harness for the radio, and just use the speaker wire part. I will probably be calling my boy Scott and asking him which one to get, or Worm, one of them. They'll tell me. But other than that, man, I can't run them through them suction cups. That was my dream, to do that. That's the way I thought about running them the whole entire time, is running the wire and all that. But obviously it's not gonna happen. But we still cool because we can run it from the radio on the way to the back. So we still will have to run double runs of wire from the radio to the back. All right, let's go ahead and get this third door done. This is the last and final door right here. like I said, I'm just gonna run the wire from the front radio, but yeah, that'd be my last speaker right there. It's too hot, man. Like, when you do a sound system, try to do it in a fall time or something, man, or even a winter time. Don't do it in the summertime. Man, it's just gonna be a very hot winter. But yeah, this is for you guys that want to know how to take the door out. So basically, there's a video on it though, but I can open up the other door to show you guys. Slam that though. Make a video like you pop that latch open right there, and then up in there that's a little lever up in there. When you open it up, you want to pop that out. There's going to be 2 screws in there. Once you get them screws out, you pop this out right here. Pop that out, and then it's a plug up under there. You're going to have to unplug. Then once you pull the door out, you hold it just like that, and then you pull this little piece out, and the whole door panel will come off. And that's how I got to the point of that over there. It's kind of hard to like show you guys every detailed thing that I do, but I try to keep y'all informed. Yeah, let me go ahead and find that little go ahead and get this speaker out. As y'all can see it, they look totally different from the ones I'm about to put up in here, but we'll be right back. All right, we back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be honest with you guys. I wasn't able to get past the doors, and as we seen through the whole video, I was struggling with the doors. I mean, as far as what they were, they're not really bass speakers. You know what I'm saying? The Timpanos is not bass speakers. They're more loud speakers. I'm gonna give y'all a little short demo of it. I'm not gonna give a long demo of it. You know, I could make it a first demo though, but I haven't really hooked up the amp to the speakers yet. And I think I figured out a way. See, this car, you know, I don't know this car like I know the Kia, and I need to get that straight with myself. You know, like sometimes I be thinking I know everything, and you know, it's just a lot of things I still got to learn about this car. So right now we're looking into going into the dash, and we're gonna have to get, like, you know, some tappers, and we're gonna try to tap into the wire. I also ordered this little thing. It's called the plug and play, but it's just the wires. It's just the wires, you know. That's all it is. It's not what the processor, or I don't know what they call it. I can't remember what they call that little device that they are saying that you must use or must have in order to make that product work. We're gonna try it out though. We're not even gonna listen to them, because how the way it's looking, it looked like it's something that will work for my car and give me a speaker wire that I can, you know, feed off. So let's go ahead and check out the music. Let's check out the speakers and see how they sound. We're gonna do a quick demo of it. Thank you guys if y'all at this point in the video. Thank you for hanging through the whole video and watching the installation. I really appreciate that. We're in the dark. Well, almost the dark. Yeah, we're gonna finish it. No, I mean, I'm not. I hope you guys ain't getting too bummed out. You know. Let's see what we can find. Oops. I tell you, like, you can't find nothing when you need it. I should have paused the video. My fault, guys. But it's okay. Let's try it. We're going to try this without no bass. Well, you ain't going to hear no bass anyway, so. Ready to flip at the end of the prison, the rest of my life for this shit.
So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to die for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear someone rapping, I'm just out of blessed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, oh. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you ravages better get used to me, ho nigga, I must have blew on my jeans, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm out the trip, and maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, throw me a fit, wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up, I had a double up until these niggas fucking love before they ride. And they don't really wanna knuckle up, I hit them with the uppercut, I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified crab with a flying pass, I'm an alien standing in if you look up in the sky. Blow your mind back, push your eyes back to your iPad, I'm an Iraqi and suicide when the bombs are loaded and your mind exploded away.
It don't sound bad. The only thing we missing is bass. So, you know, if we had bass, it'll probably sound 10 times better. You know, still I got to add the 4-channel amp to them. They're loud without the amp. They're loud with just a factory radio. So, all it is just basically a factory setup with this, though. But to get these doors off was like probably about maybe a half an hour to an hour each. It got a little bit more easier as I started going around. But we're going to finish it, man. I wanted to finish it last weekend, I admit it. But it was too hot. It was like over 90 degrees, you know. So it ain't no big deal. So I hope you all like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.